According to an update on the official website of the Skin Cancer Foundation, in May of 2019, skin cancer is the most common cancer in the United States and worldwide. 1 in every 5 people will develop skin cancer before they hit the age of 70. I am sure everyone in the audience today has somehow been affected by skin cancer. Whether you have had it yourself or someone you know has had it, skin cancer has made an impact in your life. If so, haven't you ever wondered how cancer comes to be? Personally, my family has been affected by skin cancer in many different cases. My grandma died from Merkel cell carcinoma, a type of skin cancer. My mom has had many spots of different types of cancer taken off, and I personally have had a couple spots taken off. Since this specific type of cancer has impacted my life so many ways, I have grown very curious throughout the years, and every now and then I will do research. In one of my classes in school, I chose to do a research project on skin cancer, and from that I learned how skin cancer forms and spreads. I have also been to a lot of dermatology appointments and have learned a lot from what the doctors have to say. I am here to tell you that UV rays do damage whether you can see what it's doing or not. You will learn about how UV rays make skin cells turn into cancer cells, how the cancer spreads, and what different treatments are available to cancer patients. Here's the process in which the UV rays from the sun cause regular skin cells to turn into cancer cells. There are 2 ways that UV rays can access your skin. The first is by the sun shining down on your skin, and the second is by artificial UV rays like a tanning bed. In July of 2019, Cancer Research UK wrote about the process that happens when UV radiation contacts a person's skin. When the UV rays hit a person's skin, the rays begin to damage the DNA in their skin. When this damage is done, the skin cells are turned into cancer cells. These cancer cells begin to develop together and grow out of control. When the damage continues to grow, this is where the skin cancer forms. There are 2 types of UV rays that affect humans, UVB and UVA. UVB is the type that is responsible for mostly all sunburns, and UVA is the type that goes further into the skin and causes someone to age faster. Once the cancer has formed, the next worry is if it will spread. After the skin is damaged and the cancer cells multiply, the cancer may get worse and will sometimes spread to different parts of the body. According to an article written in February of 2017 by the National Cancer Institute, the medical term used for cancer spreading is metastasize. During this stage in cancer, the damaged cells move from the place they were broken to a new location. These cells tend to move through muscle tissues or organs. Even skin cancer, which everyone thinks is just on the outside, can get to the point where it will get into your skin and damage your organs. Melanoma, a type of skin cancer, is considered a metastatic type of cancer. The typical parts of the body that melanoma spreads to are the bones, brain, liver, muscles, and other parts of the skin. After the cancer spreads, the doctors begin to choose a treatment for their patient. Depending on what type of cancer you have, there are many different treatment options available to you. Most of the time, cancer is detected after it has already spread or gotten worse. So usually once the doctors figure out that someone has cancer, they try to figure out the best treatment option for that person. According to a 2019 article on advanced melanoma treatment options, the first option for treatment is immunotherapy. Surgery is the most popular option because of the time skin cancer is caught at the early stage that it is so possible to do surgery to just remove this cancer. Radiation therapy uses high energy rays to kill off the cancer cells. Chemotherapy uses a drug to treat the cancer. This treatment can be given by either IV in your arm or by an oral pill. The final treatment option is targeted therapy. Targeted therapy uses medicines to target and disturb cancer cells, and the signals that help them to spread. Throughout this speech, you heard about how UV rays break DNA apart and form into cancer, how the cancer will spread, and then finally how the cancer will be treated. If there is a disease or illness that has affected people you care about, never be afraid to go and find out information about it and share what you have learned with others. Thank you.